Capitol tonight, more fallout from the case of a former CBI forensic scientist accused of manipulating and mishandling DNA.
Now a new bill aims to make sure that everyone who's potentially affected by Missy Woods' alleged misconduct is told about it and hopes to prevent this from happening again. Fox 31's Matt Morrow here to break it all down. Matt.
Well, Jeremy and Christine, this is a complicated and a technical bill. Here's part of what it's all about. State legislators and the Innocence Project are now concerned there could be people in prison right now in Colorado for crimes they did not commit. If so, that also means there are criminals who are on the street possibly hurting innocent people. This is all connected to a DNA scientist who worked for the CBI for almost 30 years. That scientist is Yvonne Missy Woods. She is now facing 102 felony charges, including forgery and attempt to influence a public servant. So the bill here has two main parts. First, it deals directly with Woods' cases. Investigators say more than 1,000 of them, including dozens of sex assault cases, are impacted by Woods' alleged misconduct. So the bill orders prosecutors, defendants, and victims to all be told if this includes their cases. And it offers counsel to people who are convicted in these cases and a path for them to have those cases reevaluated.
Without this bill, anyone who would be wrongfully convicted would not have any pathway to have their case looked at. So that's why our bill is crucial, because no one who might be innocent would have a way to be able to ever relook at their case without our bill.
The other part of the bill hopes to prevent this kind of a DNA debacle from happening again. It would mandate that any crime lab employees who witness or discover misconduct report it within 14 days, and the lab director would have to investigate all of those reports and notify the district attorney within 90 days. As for Missy Woods, to be very clear, these are all accusations against her as her criminal case makes its way through the courts. Christine.